Hi everyone, this is Abhinav from Phone Bunch and today we are benchmarking the Alcatel Onetouch Flash. Now this phone seems quite zippy in day-to-day use. The time that I've used the device, let's have a look at the hardware specs first. So you have a 5.5-inch HD IPS display, Android 4.4.2 KitKat, octa-core processor clocked at 1.4 GHz, Mali 450 MP4 GPU. Then you have 1 GB of RAM, 4.8 GB of internal storage, 30 megapixel primary, 5 megapixel front camera. Moreover, you have 3200 mAh battery and a plethora of sensors including an accelerometer, proximity light, gyroscope as well as a magnetic field sensor, all of which seem to be working fine. Now getting on with the benchmarks, the first one we are going to run is Antutu. We are running the full benchmark here as well, and it's been fast forward to get the results quickly. So we got a score of 26884, which is a very good score for this chipset. It's higher than the Canvas Nitro but quite a bit lower than the Redmi Note, which comes with 2 GB of RAM and the same processor clocked at a higher frequency. Now we are running Nina Mark II, it's a graphics benchmark, will give us an FPS score. So we got 58.2 FPS, which does mean that high-end games should be playable on this device. We'll check that out in our gaming review. Next up we are running the quadrant benchmark. We are running the full benchmark here as well. So we got a score of 11848, which is a very good score, higher than some of its counterparts, but lower than both the Redmi Note as well as the Micromax Canvas Nitro. Now we are running the Velamo HTML5 chapter. Now we tried to run this test several times, but finally we were able to get a score of 1860 as you see right there, and below the Asus Nexus 7, also running on Android KitKat. Now we are running the Metal chapter of Velamo. It will test the processing capabilities of the phone, and we got a score of 705, considerably lower than both the Redmi Note as well as the Canvas Nitro, since it's clocked at a lower frequency. Now we are running the Linpack single thread test. We got a score of 112.67, multi-thread test time, and we got a score of 270.29. Good scores for this chipset, definitely among the top ones. Multi-touch test time, I have 6 fingers on the display, only 5 are detected, so it's a 5-point multi-touch display you have here. Overall, in terms of general performance, I did find the phone performing quite well. The display does seem a little greenish in hue, but apart from that, the viewing angles are good. The overall build quality of the device is solid as well. And with such specs, good benchmark scores and a price of ₹9,999, you shouldn't be asking for more. We'll be back with more. Till then, you can watch its unboxing as well as the benchmarks of the Xiaomi Redmi Note. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Any questions, hit us in the comment section. And as always, have a great day.